And here's another interesting situation happening here. These are lettuce. They're actually growing in between the bricks here, in between the rocks. These guys are pretty determined to survive. They actually put up their themselves between this rock, and they're actually growing pretty. They're actually thriving. They're growing pretty well. I can pick off these leaves and have some salad. But yeah, look at that. I mean, again, I can pretty much intentionally plant these guys all the way along here because there's mostly bricks in this backyard, and these lettuce have found a clever way to actually survive, and they're actually doing very well without much attention or watering. This one is actually looking like a Christmas tree.